Bulldozer colors. Bus colors. Red bulldozer.
Red tour bus.
Blue bulldozer.
Orange tourist trolley.
Yellow bulldozer.
Airport shuttle.
Excuse me, we're doing bulldozers this time. Green bulldozer.
School bus.
Orange
Blue
bulldozer.
mini school bus.
Purple
Indigo
bulldozer.
police bus.
Pink bulldozer.
Purple double-decker bus.
Oh no, not another one. Brown
Pink
bulldozer.
minibus.
Gray
Brown
bulldozer.
airport bus.
Black
Teal
bulldozer.
paratransit bus.
White
Black
bulldozer.
limousine bus. Gray
Multicolor
city
bulldozer.
bus. White intercity bus. Rainbow articulated bus.
Click here for more vehicle colors. Which do you like? Garbage trucks or locomotives?